Imagine a world where machines understand what they see. Self-driving cars, medical diagnosis tools, and retail innovations all rely on one pivotal technology: computer vision. This is the key that enables machines to interpret images, making our lives smarter and more efficient. Currently, there's a massive demand for skilled engineers in this sector. Companies are investing billions in computer vision, and they need talent like never before. So, what's fueling this rapid growth? First, let's talk hardware. Today's advanced cameras and powerful AI chips have made real-time visual processing possible. This means machines can interpret images quickly and accurately, just like humans. Next, algorithm breakthroughs. Recent advancements, particularly in transformer architecture, have dramatically increased the efficiency and accuracy of computer vision. This is similar to how large language models have evolved. Finally, we have commercialization. Businesses are now integrating vision AI into real products, creating an ongoing need for engineers who can create and support these systems. What do these computer vision engineers actually create? They build object detection systems that can identify cars and people in real time. They develop image segmentation tools to distinguish between different elements within a picture. Additionally, they work on facial recognition, optical character recognition, and neural networks optimized for performance. Industries around the world are eager to hire. In autonomous vehicles, companies are looking for engineers to help develop self-driving technologies. The healthcare industry is employing these techniques for analyzing medical images like X-rays and MRIs. Retail is transforming with cashierless stores and inventory management systems. Manufacturing is automating quality checks and defect detection. Even agriculture is getting a boost with crop monitoring and automated harvesting. To succeed in this field, here are some critical skills to develop. Start with programming in Python and learn key frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow for deep learning. Familiarize yourself with OpenCV and image processing libraries. Understand standard CNN architectures like ResNet, YOLO, and UNet. And don't forget about vision transformer models, which are increasingly important. What does a 12-month learning path look like? For the first 3 months, focus on Python, linear algebra, and basic neural networks. In the next 3 months, dive into CNNs and learn about object detection and image segmentation. Finally, spend months 7 to 12 mastering vision transformers, video processing, and model optimization for edge deployment. It's important to show your skills through projects. Create a face recognition system, a real-time object detector, or a medical image classifier. Document your progress clearly on GitHub, and stay updated with the latest research papers to remain competitive. Computer vision is reshaping every industry. The demand for skilled professionals is high, and there's never been a better time to enter this field. Our Computer Vision Engineering Bootcamp can take you from the basics all the way to building production-ready systems. Check out the link in the description for more information. Don't miss out on the opportunity. Subscribe for the latest career paths in AI and machine learning, where growth potential is soaring.